Sayyad from Asivagam united under Tamil Shiva. Who are the Brahmins? In short, Brahmins are from the clan of Persian Aryan settlers. Brahmins appointed by the Persian Empire to monitor and to keep an eye on the native elites of Tamil Black Nation. The question is, when Tamil Black Nation was so advanced in all fields, how did Aryan barbaric race settle in Indus Valley without facing any resistance from the natives? How black population of India surrendered to the law of Manu created by a handful of Aryan Brahmins who acted as a spy appointed by Aryan Persian Empire. How did the elites of Tamil nation and their colony become puppet to Aryan Persian Brahmin? To know the answer, we have to understand the history of Black Tamil nation and its various tribes and colony. Tamil nation history can be divided into two parts. First part, before deluge of Kumari Kandam. Second part, after the deluge of Kumari Kandam. Black nation of Tamil, whose first Siddha and first administrator is Tamil Shiva. Tamil colony built pyramids across globe. Pyramid used for generating wireless electricity and were used for telecommunication. During the same period, there was another race who lived in caves roam nude. Gay, lesbian, animal sex, child sex, eating human was part of their culture. They follow the concept of survival of the fittest. Remember, this race originated from Cain the murderer. Cain, who was cursed and banished from the cradle of civilization. Cain is the first Antichrist. Because of Cain's act, his children lived in a barbaric society while Tamil Black nation in an advanced civilization. Remember, God can forgive, but karma deeds of individual affects his coming generation. After deluge of Kumari Kandam, Tamil nation boundary started from Turkey. As population grew, new colony came about. First Turkey, then Syria, then Mesopotamia region, and so on. Göbekli Tepe, Turkey, dated back to 12,000 BC. In Syria, there is another site called Tell Abu Huraira, dated back to 10,000 BC. Mesopotamia civilization, Baluchistan civilization, Mohenjo-daro, Harappa site, Lothal are all built once again by Tamil Shiva Pandyan dynasty after the deluge. Remember, only advanced race on earth with all information and technology on all subject is with Tamil Black nation. Remember, all the colony of Tamil nation was self-sufficient. The war that destroyed Tamil Shiva Pandyan dynasty colony spread across from Turkey to Indus Valley, Rajasthan, Gujarat is Mahabharat war. The seed of Mahabharat was sown during Ramayana war. Ramayana that took place near the border between Turkey and Europe, while Mahabharat war took place among the Tamil colonies spread across from Turkey to Indus Valley, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Remember, nuclear bomb was used in Mahabharat war. Its epicenter is at Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro means city of death. Tel Abu Huraira site at Syria was two found vitrified stones similar to vitrified stone found at Mohenjo-daro caused due to nuclear explosion. Many years after Mahabharat war, Aryan migration took place. When Aryan entered in Indus Valley, they faced no resistance from natives. Persian Aryan settlers says that the land which they occupied was the gift from God. The elites of the Tamil colony surrendered to barbaric Aryan settler without fight. Persian Aryan settler ruled natives through policy and principle of Varnadharam and appointed Brahmin to spy on the elites of Tamil colony across India. Some invaders ruled by arms and ammunition, but Aryan settler Persian ruled Black nation by policy. Native tribal system under Asivagam was replaced by Varnadharam. Koil was converted into Brahmin temple. Rights of administration was from common people was taken away. Common people were not allowed to enter Koil, in other words, parliament. Thus, from golden era, common people were pushed into the age of untouchability. Quran reminds about the ancient Koil parliament system of Asivagam. Jumma, a day where common people took active part in administration behind elected minister Khalifa. Asivagam, its policy gives power to people, while Varnadharam, a religion of elite syndicate, where priestly cult fooling people in the name of religion and God. Brahmins are Aryan settlers who in India are a spy for then Persian Empire. Your priests in church are spy for Vatican and other European churches. Europe, who by DNA are children of Cain. Cain generation were hunter-gatherer, uncivilized barbaric people. Regarding mosque, Maulana and madrasa, they too are spy for Aryan settler Roman Persian. Since Brahmin had lost control over the native people, Aryan settler Roman, they introduced madrasa, where Maulana were created to protect settlers regime. 2 lakh plus madrasa in India are designed to protect antichrist Aryan settler Roman Persian policy of Varnadharam. Remember, it was Quranic information that united the black race. Remember, it was Quranic information that led to collapse of Aryan settler Persian and Roman Empire during the period of Prophet Muhammad. In vengeance, still Persian under Shia label gives bad words to Prophet Muhammad, to his family and also to his companion. Aryavarta agenda, the New World Order, are nothing but to re-establish Aryan settler Roman Persian regime once again. Muslim world by DNA are Aryan settlers. Brahmins, Shia, Sufi, Sunni were the old spy of Aryan settler Roman Persian, while Tablighi, Wahhabi, Salafi, Ahle Hadith comparative religion funded by Saudi are the new spy for Saudi kingdom. Saudi who heads the New World Order. Final Antichrist is Aryan settler Saudi who has illegally occupied Makkah. Remember, Makkah and Jerusalem are the administration center for Bani Israel, tribe Judah, seed of David, of Semitic black race. Bible says and Quran confirms in chapter 17 verse 104 regarding the final exodus of children of Israel of Semitic black race. Remember, the plan of New World Order headed by Aryan settler Saudi is to reduce the black population from India, Africa and in America. Nandri, Vanakkam.